Hey there. I've done the Slim by Nature detox program twice now, but most recently in the last couple of weeks, I've lost 7 kilos, and it's really helped me re-educate myself on the right food at the right time and the right amount. As a busy shift worker, you tend to inhale huge amounts of quantity of food at any given time. What I loved about the eating program was the simplicity of the food. You're not hungry, and you don't crave the sugars, the carbs, the processed foods like you normally would. It's just simple, good, wholesome food that really gets you going throughout the day. I'd definitely do it again. Definitely recommend it to my friends and family. It is such a good program to do. Not only do you lose weight quickly and you see those results quickly, which is very encouraging for anyone, you feel so good about yourself. You sleep better. Your your eyes sparkle. Your skin glows. It's just magic. On my next round of detox, I'm really looking forward to getting those last 5 kilos off and consolidating all the good and permanently wonderful new eating habits that I've created by following the program. I've even studied a very short introductory course in nutrition, which has helped me gain a lot more education and insight into why we eat and how we eat, and how we can benefit from it.